In this video by The Daily Eco, we'll explore the power of chicory root and show you how you can easily incorporate it into your diet. So, let's get started. Properties of chicory. Although chicory's full potential is still being explored, its components hint at a variety of health benefits. It might fight bacteria and fungi, reduce inflammation, regulate blood sugar levels, protect cells from damage, soothe allergies, and much more. While more research is needed, chicory's potential is promising. So, let's explore how to incorporate chicory into your diet and discover its specific benefits. Helps the digestive system. Chicory is believed to stimulate the liver and gallbladder, potentially aiding in recovery from issues like hepatitis and food poisoning. Additionally, it may promote better nutrient absorption and even help restore appetite in those feeling sluggish. Strengthens the immune system. Chicory's potential extends beyond digestion. Its antimicrobial, antifungal, antiallergic, and antioxidant properties suggest it might help strengthen your immune system. Helps the urinary system. Chicory might aid the urinary system by stimulating urine production and potentially helping to eliminate toxins. It's also been used traditionally to address issues like cystitis, urethritis, and other urinary tract infections. Contributes to skin health. Chicory has been used historically as a poultice, a thick paste applied topically to promote healing. It may offer relief for skin irritations or wounds. It is used in the food industry. Chicory is a versatile plant with culinary uses. Its leaves can be enjoyed raw or cooked, while the roasted ground root provides a popular coffee substitute. Additionally, chicory's high inulin content makes it a potential alternative to sugar and fat in processed foods, and it can be used as a natural sweetener for beverages. It is a phytoremediator. Chicory showcases its environmental benefits by acting as a phytoremediator. This means it has the potential to absorb and degrade harmful substances from the soil, including heavy metals. Chicory might even help tackle persistent environmental toxins. But before we continue, let's put you to the test. What color can chicory flowers be? Red, yellow, blue? All of the above are correct. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. If you like the Daily Eco, remember that with a super thanks you can help us continue creating content like this. How to take chicory. A popular method is the infusion, often referred to as chicory tea. Simply pour boiling water over chicory leaves, let them steep for a soothing experience, and then strain. Traditionally, 1 cup a day is recommended, particularly for constipation relief according to historical uses. For a more concentrated option, there are extracts. Made from the roots, these extracts have been used historically to combat malaria. Another method is decoction. This involves simmering chicory plant material, which can be the leaves, root, or both, in water for a longer duration. The resulting liquid is then strained for consumption. And finally, for those seeking a more concentrated form, chicory is also available in tinctures, powders, and pills. These are typically found in health food stores. Contraindications of chicory. While chicory boasts a long history of use and various studies have generally deemed it as safe for consumption, there are, of course, some important considerations. If you have hypertension or experience irregular blood pressure, chicory might not be suitable for you. It may, in fact, potentially worsen these conditions. Before incorporating chicory into your routine, especially in concentrated forms like extracts, powders, or pills, it is crucial to consult with a doctor or healthcare provider. They can advise on appropriate dosage and identify any potential interactions with medications you are already taking. And going back to the question we asked you before, have you thought it through? Well, the correct answer is C. Chicory flowers are light blue. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time.